because Ndoda proper is a 15 to 20-minute walk up that way. It's called Ndoda, but when you hear, you don't think it's a mountain, because we're quite high actually where we are. The way it is so high, you see it from Hawksbeck, you see it all the way from Grahamstown. If you take the road to Fort Beaufort, you see it all the way from the East London Airport on a clear day. That's how high it is. You see it all the way from Qatar on the peak, on the Keju peak, as we are about to go to Cascade. So it's actually quite high, but you don't see it. It's this side, yes. It's this side. But if you are in King or wherever, you can see it. It's so prominent from all directions. Where we are is quite high. I don't know how many meters above sea level. Now, the first point of significance of Ndoda is the fact that it was used as a rainmaking site by the Khoi. It will be interesting to find out if there's actually water underneath where we are. But it happens that there's no rain anywhere else in Gabula, but there's a cloud and rain here, high up here. So it's quite wet compared to elsewhere. Now, there are different legends and stories about how the name came about. The legend people remember most is one that says Ndoda was the last Khoi chief in the area. Before then, the Xhosa took full occupation. When I say took full occupation, that must have happened somewhere between the 1760s and the 1780s. At the time, up until then, the Xhosa kingdom had been one kingdom, but at that point the kingdom split into two. The last king of the United Xhosa Kingdom was Phalo, and then the fight his two sons had, Gagabe and Gcaleka, led to the split. The Gcalekas are now north of the Khai or east of the Khai, and then the Gagabes are west or south of the Khai, depending on how you define. But before Gagabe came over this way, because of the fight he had with his brother, there had long been interaction between the Khoi and the Xhosa for centuries, probably for longer ages, and as such, the Xhosa sounding name of a Khoi chief, Ndoda, because Ndoda sounds very Xhosa actually. So over time, then the Xhosa and the Khoi interspaced and had all sorts of things developing and merging, and as such, Umkhube or Kangi now being proclaimed as a Xhosa sound. Actually, it's of Khoi origin. It's of Khoi root and so on. Initially, Gagabe, so before Gagabe, there had not been a group that would come over, but it would be smaller groupings that would then get merged with Khoi groupings, become subordinate to a Khoi chief and so on. That had been the experience. Gagabe then was the first one then to try and contest the land with the Khoi. The war was going on for quite a while. It was basically a useless war of attrition. Ndoda died in the war, even though it was not settled. Ultimately, the two sides reached a settlement, and according to the story, the settlement was signed here, if you can use such a phrase, at Ndoda, somewhere in the early 1780s. So now, the settlement was signed with Ho being Ndoda's wife.